Yo, what's up, guys? UC Studios here. Right now, we're gonna go into caves, the new ones, and I'm here with. Yep. Cannonball!
Whoa!
Oh, just lag. Let's go! Let's go, my minions! Woo! Wait, oh! Oh, my nose! Oh, my nose! I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. Alright. So, guys, we're gonna see how many people we can fit on the shark. How many people can we fit on the shark? So, let's wait for the shark to come. And let's all try to grab it. Where is it? Where are you, Sharky? Sharky Lucky Marky. Shark! 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 Grab it! Grab it! Oh, no! Guys! Guys! Go back over there! Try to cut it off! I see him. No! Guys! Guys! Ah! No! 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 Wait for me! Wait for me! Oh. I'm alive! Get on! Get on! No! It's gonna circle around! It's circling around! Get on! No! 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 Oh man. Yeah, let's wait for it to come back. Okay. We're just gonna wait for it to come back. Here, lure it with poop. Guys, lure the shark with poop. Matt, come here. Matt, try this poop. Try it. Try it, Matt. Matt, you don't like it? No! You better like it! Eat the roof! Okay, I think you like it. Okay, I think you like it now. Where's the shark? Shark! I missed the shark! Oh no! 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 Oh. No. Okay, guys. Everybody come here. I got an idea. Let's play hide and seek in caves. Let's play hide and seek in the caves, okay? I want to be seeking you. I'm gonna actually. Who wants to seek? Who wants to seek? Guys, who wants to seek? We're gonna play hide and seek.
Mr. Celebrity.
Yeah? Okay. Whoever's seeking, close your eyes and count to 20. Hide, everybody hide. Okay. I think this is a good place. Where? Clearly missed this celebrity. They should like to subscribe, but we're at this intermission. Hide.
I saw someone.
I'm the first person that we found. I'm the first person. Okay, let's find everybody else. Let's find everybody else. should stop the video now, right? I think we should end it.
Mr. Celebrity.
Why?
Mr. Celebrity. How old are you, Mr. Celebrity?
I'm not saying it on camera.
Oh, well, I thought, okay. Well, what's your last name? When you should tell me? Wait, will my brother watch you?
Well, I'm gonna stop this YouTube video, so like and subscribe, and see ya.